guys struggle like me when it comes to impulse buying? Then make sure you watch this video. Hi guys, this is Bidisha of Mermaid Bidisha here. As the title says, today I'm going to share with you all some tips to reduce the habit of impulse buying. Now I'm not claiming that by watching this video you can control your impulse buying habit from tomorrow itself, but these small steps will actually help you all to stop impulse buying. So let's get started with it. In one of my previous video, I mentioned how important it is to unsubscribe to the newsletters of these brands like H&M, Target. They keep sending you updates of the new collection. Because of this COVID situation, these brands are investing more than ever when it comes to digital marketing. So that's the reason why they're always updating based on what their announcements are. Not that I'm saying it's a bad thing, but the thing is, if you want to control this habit of continuous shopping, you have to unsubscribe to these newsletters. If you stop getting these updates, your brain will not think about all these new items that are in the store or that are in their collection currently. Then the next step would be to stop browsing. There are many times when you don't have anything to do. If you keep browsing different things, you will keep getting more variety of those specific things. For example, if you're on Amazon.com, if you want a floral dress, or if you're just browsing and looking for some, long gowns or whatever, you will keep getting recommendations of different brands. Something may look better than the other, and you will keep getting into this loop, and ultimately you will spend a lot of money. So stop browsing. That will help you a lot. Instead, you can watch some vlogs on YouTube, or some creative videos, some cooking recipes that would help you to divert your mind. Tip number 3 will be to use the app Mint. In the end of the month, maybe on the 30th or 31st, just decide which section you want to spend and allot your money to keep a track of which section is for shopping, which section is for travel, which section is for groceries. So these are the ways you can divide your expenses, and you can keep checking every day or two. Budgeting every month will help to control your impulse buying. That's the real test, you have to challenge yourself. So if you divide your expenses, it really helps you to stick to the budget. Tip number 4 would be using cash. Now, we have so many different kinds of credit cards. It becomes very convenient for us to swipe the card and buy something, be it online or at the store. Stop doing that. Instead, get $100 or $200 cash in your wallet, and every time when you want to buy, first of all, if it's online shopping, you are then and there stopping it. And then when you have to go to the brick and mortar store, you will have an estimate of how much you can spend, and based on that you will want to spend, or maybe you can control your mind not to spend that day. So using cash really helps. This is tried and tested, and I have tried it a lot of times. It has helped me personally a lot. So whenever you're going to the grocery store especially, or stores like Meijer or Walmart, I have seen that if you set a timer that, for example, I am entering the shop at 10:45 a.m., then I have to come out of the shop by 11:15. Within that time, I have to do entire grocery shopping and also pay the bill and everything. So within that time, you will be in a hurry and you will quickly do your shopping. Provided if you have your list, make sure you have the list of things to buy as well. This is a very good method to stay on time, and you know your purpose when you're going inside the shop. You are not aimlessly shopping inside or strolling around. You know what you want and you quickly pick it up and pay the money and come out of the shop. I think it's a good technique to control your mind. Now, tip number 6 is very important. Please uninstall the shopping apps like Sephora, Ulta, Target. All the shops, they keep giving you updates, or even if you don't activate the notifications, you tend to go to these apps and keep looking what's new and what's hot, and end up buying things that you don't necessarily need. So uninstall those apps. It will save your time, it will save your money. Instead, do something productive like planning your day ahead, and you don't channelize your energy to shopping where you end up buying things which you actually don't need. Tip number 7 will be to be aware. When you want to adopt a lifestyle of intentional living, you have to have a purpose behind every shopping or every activity you do. So for example, if I'm going for groceries in shops like Meijer or Walmart, sometimes we go to the beauty section aisles. So once you go to that aisle, just ask yourself, what was the reason that made you come to this shop? And if your answer is grocery shopping, then you should come out of that aisle. And if you start having this habit of questioning yourself, why am I doing this? Then you will not end up buying things that you don't need. It is very tough in the beginning to completely stop impulse buying. So here's a very good tip which will help you to slowly stop this habit if you are being unable to do it at one shot. In your monthly budget of shopping, which as per Mint, if it's $200, for example, allot $40 for impulse buying. In that remaining $160, you finish up every essential things that you have to buy under the category shopping, and the remaining $40 you keep as a buffer amount. Now this $40, why I'm saying $40 is because allot $10 for each week. I'm going from month to month, so $10 each week and $10 for impulsive shopping. For example, you use up $40 in month 1 for impulse buying, then in month 2 make it $30. Now you have to decide how you want to divide that $10 each week, but this time it's just $30. It may be the case that in month 1, 2 and 3 you kept using $40, and then month 4 onwards it became $30. So you challenge yourself each passing month, and trust me, you will come out successful. So I hope you all liked this video of mine. 2022 is all about repurposing different things and having more of intentional living mindset. So see you all again with a new video on the coming Sunday. Bye for now.